Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to feature the products that I've recently used up. Now, I love filming these videos, and I think I state that in every Empties video, how much I enjoy filming them. I am a very, very conscious consumer in the sense that I pay attention to reviews. I like to know where I can get the best deal, and I just genuinely want to know what people think of the product, whether they like it, whether they disliked it, and the reasons why they liked it or dislike it. So this is why I find this video so helpful, and I think why also you find the video so helpful is because I'm genuinely giving my honest review and letting you know whether this is a product you should purchase or just kind of skip on over. So I keep everything in an Urban Outfitters bag, and another reason why I like filming it is because it's so satisfying getting to throw and recycle these products once I'm done using them. So I've collected, I've done my duty, and now it's time to get rid of them and review them. So again, in no particular order, the first product I'm gonna mention is this Trader Joe's Spray Sunscreen. It has this broad spectrum of SPF 50+. And it also says it's water resistant, contains aloe and vitamin E. I love everything Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's definitely pays attention to ingredients, although not everything is as non-toxic as you maybe would like it to be. It's definitely on the right track, and the price point I think for this is $5.99, which is so affordable. For someone like myself who lives in Florida, I go through sunscreen like it's nothing, so this is cheap, it does the job, and I definitely would repurchase. Another product I have purchased time and time again, this is the Fake Bake Flawless Darker. I repurchased the original formula. I don't really think I see a difference between the original versus the darker formula. I just know, again, the price point is amazing on this. I think it is maybe $13. You become so dark in a matter of hours. I find that the last is not that long. Like, it doesn't wear for so many days, but I really just use this for a special occasion anyways, when I know I really wanna look bronzed for the evening. This is great stuff, and I highly, highly recommend it. Another Trader Joe's product with a hair stuck in it. This is the Trader Joe's Blueberry and Acai Facial Scrub. I liked having this in the shower. I don't really exfoliate quite often, but I found that when I kind of wanted some, dead skin cells removed, I used this facial scrub and it did the job. So again, good price point because it's Trader Joe's, and Trader Joe's is top tier of the grocery stores in my opinion. I finished up a Glow Tonic from Pixi. This has 5% glycolic acid in it, so it's an exfoliating toner. I do really like this. I think it's a little well raved about product that I don't know if I necessarily see the hype in. I think it does a good job, but I don't really know how much toners affect my skincare routine. I've always incorporated one. I think it would be interesting to see if I stopped using a toner, what differences I would see, because I don't really know if I see much difference by using it. The next product I'm gonna mention is this Osea Atmosphere Protection Cream. I now have another bottle of this. I really, really like Osea. I think it's a great skincare line. All the bottles are glass, which is awesome. And it's also very, very conscious when it comes to the ingredients in here. It uses a lot of seaweed, which is really, really hydrating for the skin. And I just think that it's a great skincare line. They're vegan, gluten-free, all of that jazz. Definitely go check them out. The next product is from Kopari. This is the Coconut Crush Scrub. Now, I thought this worked really, really well, especially if you apply it to dry skin. Wow, you're highly exfoliated. This smelled really nice. I would repurchase it, but again, I think there's probably other brands that do the same thing that might be a little bit cheaper, but this is a really nice product. The next product I'm gonna mention is this Moroccan Oil Dry Shampoo. Now, this is catered to dark hair, so if you have dark hair like myself, this would be a product that you would go towards. I have never really been a fan of aerosol dry shampoo. I think it kind of leaves a greasy residue in my hair. And I wouldn't say that this is anything impressive. I'm really, really enjoying my Monat dry shampoo. I featured that in my last vlog. I will leave that link down below if you want to purchase it yourself. I really, really like that one. This was just okay. Next, we have the Ginger Souffle Whipped Body Cream. This is from Origins. Origins is also a brand I really, really like and have purchased multiple products from them. The smell on this was really, really refreshing and awakening. I really liked using this in the morning. I just felt that it kept my body very, very moisturized and also just added like a nice tingly, scent to the air. I finished up a foundation. This is the L'Oreal True Match. Healthy Luminous Makeup, and it is in the color Neutral. Now, I have used this in the past, and from what I recalled, I really liked it, so I decided to repurchase it when I was in the drugstore. Although I think it provides nice coverage, I do notice that it oxidizes, and I just don't have time for that. So, you know, when I wear makeup, I usually like it to last all day, and I wouldn't say this does this. So for that, this is the end of my L'Oreal True Match. I used up an eye cream. This is the Youth to the People Age Prevention Superfood Eye Cream. When I went to Sephora, I was talking to one of the makeup artists there, and I was just saying that I thought this was nice. It was relatively moisturizing, but it was not impressive. It didn't really wow me, and I kind of want something to wow me when I'm buying it, so I would skip it next time. I have a sheet mask. This is the Tony Moly I'm Real Aloe Mask Sheet Mask. I always mention that I purchase my sheet masks from Urban Outfitters because they're 4 for $10, which great deal. So I always like trying new ones. I think Tony Moly in general, their sheet masks are always really, really nice, and I've always enjoyed using them. I do notice that it leaves my skin very supple and adds hydration, so I definitely would recommend purchasing these, and they're really nice for like self-care pamper nights as well. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. I have a face powder. This is the Revlon Color Stay in 830 Light Medium. This was a decent powder. I think the coverage is very nice, it's very blendable, and it does last as well. So if you're looking for a drugstore powder that, you know, will kind of save you from looking oily throughout the day, I would definitely say go give this a try. I have a mascara. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. Now, this was pretty nice for volume. However, I like to layer my mascaras anyways, so I definitely think you need something for length if you're going to be using this. It is not a length and volumizing mascara, so you gotta know you're just using this for volume, and then you need something in addition to it. On the contrary, this is another mascara. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Length. I don't know how many tubes of this I've gone through. This is definitely one of the most affordable mascaras that actually works. If you're looking for length and separation, this will do the job. I find that it doesn't flake, it lasts throughout the day, and I can't say enough great things about it. I think Wet n Wild really took the ball with this mascara, and for that, I will forever repurchase. This is a sad one. This is the Revlon Color Burst Lip Butters, and this is in Fig Jam. It was a nice brown color, kind of more on the nude mauve side. I think the formula of these lip butters were amazing. I've used so many of these, and again, couldn't rave enough about them. I do think they're discontinued. There's several other brands that make a similar product, so if you're looking for something that you could just pop on your lips anytime, whether you have full glam on or no makeup at all, this is definitely one of those products. Another lip product that is barely a lip product anymore, this is from Bite, and this is the Agave Lip Mask. I had heard great reviews about this, and to be honest, it's expensive, and I don't really think it's that amazing. Right now I'm using the Laneige lip mask, and I think it's so much better. It leaves my lips plump. I wake up still having product on my lips, whereas this I just thought was okay. I wouldn't say go out and buy it by any means. Last but not least, I have a sample. This is the Belief Hungarian Water Essence. This was really, really moisturizing. It, again, left my skin very hydrated. I think Belief's a great brand. Again, this is only a sample, so you can only go off what your first time use experience was, but I would definitely, you know, purchase anything from this brand because I think they make great products. So that's it for this Empties video. I hope you found it very helpful. Please let me know what products you've recently used up and whether it was a good or bad experience for you, because I also would like to know what products to stay away from or to run out and buy myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until my next one, I will see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.